Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully y'all are having an awesome day so far. So first of all, I want to say last weekend I didn't get a video up, so sorry about that. We had some other stuff going and it didn't really have a whole lot going with the truck. So, but today we have some more exciting things with the truck. At least I think it's exciting. So, today, last week, I believe it was, I found these on Craigslist for the truck, and I contacted the guy and texted him and asked him if they're still available. He said they were. I waited till this weekend, got back in touch with him. He still had them, so we went and picked them up. We got some wheels for the first gen. These are off of a 2008 Dodge. So these are 17-inch wheels. They have tires on them. They're about 25% left. These are a let's see, where is the size? A 285 7017. So these tires might be a little big to clear on the front of the first gen. We will just have to see. One other thing that is coming soon is we are going to get new coil springs for the front. Here, you can't see them in there, sitting too low. So over time on these old trucks, the front springs kind of settle and whatever, get old, you know. So I'm gonna have to get some smaller tires for these and put some taller springs in the front so we can keep it. I mean, right here, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's kind of sitting down a little low in the front. The rear's a little higher, even after we did the reverse level. If you have not watched that video, go watch it right now. So, yeah, I am going to pop the front wheels off real quick and throw these on, and we will see if they clear or not. I'm going to set you guys up and throw those on. So guys, I think this looks really great. Only problem I'm having is I'm going to have to get some wheel spacers for these, because I don't know if you can see it back up in there. The ball joint is rubbing the wheel. So these wheels must be a bit wider or something. So I'm gonna need a little bit of a spacer. And the lug nuts, I got the lug nuts with the wheels. Everything even came with the center caps, but those lug nuts do not work on these lugs. These are, I think these are 9/16 lug nut, and these are a little smaller or something. I'm not exactly sure, but yeah, as far as looks goes, it looks awesome. But as far as that problem right there, we're gonna have to get us some wheel spacers or something. Now I did try to use these lug nuts, the old ones on it, and it just ended up starting to chew that up. So guys, with that, having run into that issue with the wheels not clearing and everything, the lug nuts are different too. So what I did is I was looking online. I got some wheel spacers ordered. That way we can clear them. I'm gonna have to get some little smaller tires. So yeah, that's gonna about do it for this time. Now, just now, I just rolled these. They're not, I just have them rolled up beside there. So that's kind of the look you would get, more or less. And I mean, the front here is definitely not going to fit. The tire is way too large. We're going to have to get those new springs in there soon. I mean, obviously a smaller tire will do a lot. So this is about this is a 285, so I'm guessing it's about a 33 inch. Actually, let me just grab a tape measure real quick so I don't say without knowing for sure. So let's see here. So let's see, this is about a 32 inch tire. So, and the tires that are on the truck right now, let's measure those. Those are gonna be, whoops, those will be about a 29. Yeah, right about 29. So 29 inch. Maybe right about 29 or 30. About 29 and a half, it looks like. So yeah, definitely a little large on the tires. Come on here. Okay, so tires are a little bit big, but you have to get new tires. We're getting the wheel spacers, and yeah, so at least that'll give you guys a little idea of what they will look like. I was hoping that I could just throw them on and everything was the same, but they're not. So if you're doing something like this to your truck, at least you know now before you do it and not after you buy the wheels. So I'm so happy with these wheels. They are awesome, absolutely awesome. So yeah, that's gonna do it for this video, guys. I'm sorry this video is a little bit shorter, but I wanted to make sure I got something up for you guys because I skipped last week, like I said earlier. Hopefully next week we'll be installing the wheels. Maybe if everything comes, if shipping is fast and everything, hopefully I might get a video up like Friday of this week. I'm not Friday, coming Friday. So yeah, so guys, if you enjoyed this video, if you liked it, I know it probably wasn't that terribly exciting because I didn't get the wheels on the truck, but if there was anything in it you liked, please hit that like button, it helps the channel. Subscribe if you're not already, follow my Instagram, and I'll see you guys next time.